Hi all, welcome. Today we will see the recipe of Indian traditional food rasam. So first of all we'll see what are the benefits of rasam and then we'll see how to prepare that. And whatever this Indian traditional food of rasam, it's not only beneficial for Indian people but it also across world they can start using preparing this in their day-to-day life. So the benefits are first it will improve your digestion and it will reduce your constipation and it boosts your immunity and then it will clear your throat infection as well. So we have seen the health benefits. So let's start using in our day-to-day life this recipe. To prepare this we require the tomato and the chopped tomato you have to grind it, the pulp you see, and then the other one, the black color, that is tamarind pulp, like 1 tablespoon of that. And then you need to have this asafoetida, which you will be using in tempering. And then the other main ingredients are black pepper and cumin seeds. So that you have to make it as powder, which you can see here. This is a powder of black pepper and cumin seeds. And other than that, you require to have this mustard seeds and then lavash seeds, mirchi, onion, chopped onion and garlic and 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of jaggery, and then you should have this turmeric, red chili powder and salt. So and finally you should have the water when you are preparing that recipe. So these are the main ingredients of Indian traditional recipe rasam. So once you do this tempering is cooking technique used in India where whole spices are roasted briefly in oil or ghee. So first you put a pan and then add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee and then you start adding this asafoetida and then all your mustard seeds, lavash seeds and then mirchi and then onion and then garlic. So after they fry, then add the pulp of tomato and after it been cooked for a minute, then add your tamarind pulp and after it is been cooked in a minute and then you add that bowl of water into this tomato pulp. So once you boil it, then start adding this turmeric, red chili powder, salt and then this black pepper and jeera powder to that. And then after it boils very nicely, then you start adding jaggery to that. And I'm not sure I mentioned or not, this asafoetida is the first ingredient you put in the heated oil. So that will give you the entire recipe, the good aroma around it. So let's start doing this and let's use it in our day-to-day life. Thank you.